It's a little after 1:30. I just got done with a couple things. A webinar from, I almost said their name. I'm trying not to say the insurance company's names. I just got done with a webinar from a life insurance company and annuity company, but I don't do annuities anymore. Never really did. I was starting to get trained on them, but then dropped that off. But anyway, it was a webinar from a life insurance company talking about all their changes to their underwriting from the current state of events from the coronavirus. And it was interesting to see how they're adapting during this time of crisis, essentially making it easier for everyone to get approved quicker during this time. Obviously that, what are those called, paramed exams aren't being able to be completed because no one is allowing people to go over to their houses. And so what the insurance company is essentially doing is approving everyone quicker, but just at a worse rating. And so then after all this is over, they're already approved. And so if they would like to just try to get a cheaper rating, or a lower rate, from a lower rating, then they can do the paramed exam at that time. So I thought it was very clever, very innovative. So even insurance companies have been impacted and are rolling with the punches with all this this quarantine business. And then after that, I called into a Medicare supplement company and just got notified that one of my clients is approved. So that was very quick and easy turnaround. We submitted the application on 4/6, and then they told me that she actually got approved 2 days later on 4/8. They did the phone interview that very day after we submitted the application, so it was a very quick turnaround. So that was very pleasant. Just added $30 to my monthly income, which is good. I'm gonna give her a ring here in a little bit and tell her she can cancel her old policy, and she will start saving $30 a month. So that's pretty good. New underwear in the mail. So I worked out, showered, ate. Then I spent the rest of the night creating, editing, and uploading a bunch of 402 Clips videos. Let me turn you guys around here and show you how many I've done. So they were all clips from my latest interview on Project 402, which is with Mr. Doug Smith. He is the co-founder of Irvin & Smith. So as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I did 6. And not only did I do all those, but then I also scheduled them on Facebook, so they will post throughout the next 6 days. Something else I had done this afternoon was I created and published this ad. So obviously it is supposed to target those who are affected by the current situation in regards to the coronavirus, and those who maybe lost their jobs, those who laid off workers, so there are HR managers, and know people that lost their jobs. And I'm trying to help people get just some very simple temporary health insurance for very cheap, very low costs. $50 a month is actually possible. However, as I always say, you can't really get good health insurance under about $200 a month. So $50 a month is low in terms of good coverage. I mean, a $50 a month plan will get you a bare bones catastrophic plan with a super high deductible and then a super high co-insurance max out of pocket, and probably pretty bad co-insurance, probably 60/40 or 70/30. So not the best coverage, but if someone is truly looking for just a, God forbid, what if situation, then a short-term medical plan for $50 a month will do ya. Also got paid twice today. Once from a carrier that deals with ACA clients, so Obamacare clients, and then again, a second time, I got a check in the mail from my most recent MAPD, or Medicare Advantage plan. Altogether, that totaled a little over $200, I think. Yeah, it was just about a little over $200. One thing that's nice about being in insurance is that you're always constantly getting paid. I mean, I get paid like 20 times a month. It's insane. And that's from just different carriers, or sometimes some carriers will pay you at different times of the month for different policy effective dates throughout the month, and it just kind of depends on the way that premium payment drafts are coming out of your clients' bank accounts. But it comes out to be a good amount every month, a good number of times. The amount's not that great yet. The amount's only about $700 a month. So my monthly income is still not that good, but I'm slowly building it. And like I said, just today, I got confirmation. I guess I didn't get the sale today, but I got confirmation that the Medicare supplement case that I was working on last week went through. So that adds another $30 a month to my monthly income. So health insurance is slowly building, man. It's build. It's a total numbers game. The more clients you have, the more you get paid. This quarantine and self-isolation has given me a lot of time to work on my social media game. And canva.com. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, although I should be. If you guys see this, let me know. But no, they're the best tool out there that I've seen personally to create very quick and professional looking graphic design work, I guess you can call it, for free on the internet. It's called canva.com, C-A-N-V-A. For example, take a look at something I made in literally 5 minutes. It's a post that I'm going to share later on Facebook and LinkedIn. Alright, YouTube world, I'm going to create, edit, and upload one more video for broker tapes, and then planning on heading to bed. Good night, y'all.